Fairy tales can come true. It can happen to you if you're young at heart. For it's hard, you will find, to be narrow of mind if you're young at heart. You can go to extremes with impossible schemes. You can laugh when your dreams fall apart at the seams. And life gets more exciting with each passing day. And love is either in your heart or on its way. Don't you know that it's worth every treasure on earth to be young at heart?
Okay, we've done about 50 miles, probably just under. We've just stopped, as you can see from the previous clip, loaded up with bananas and jelly babies. Headwind pretty much all the way at the moment, which wasn't scheduled, so hopefully we'll be a bit better when we get to lunchtime. Douglas has broken the fence pole. Fortunately, we've got Martin here.
Waiting for something to spill out to the crowd.
Nice second day, so we're looking at about 90 something miles and only about 3,000 feet of climbing, so looking forward to it. Blue skies to start, a little bit chilly, so here we go.
Cause I tear out the pages that I've got in these books, just to find just some words, just to get some reward.
Yeah, then we basically head up, if we want to, the A556.
And I play old 45s that now mean nothing to me. And you're a real gone kid. Never now, baby. 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 I'll do what I should have did. Now I've stood on your shadow, and I've watched it grow.
Okay, so that's what we've got. Let's see how we go. It's going to be a tough day, but everybody looks in great shape. So
well done, Nick. Good man.
Every time I open my mouth, I have regrets in my mind. Every time, and no one seems to figure me out. I guess it's stress. It's making me feel so depressed. Most of my life I felt so tired, but every now and then when I try, I say, keep it up and go on. You're only holding out for what you want. You're no longer owe the strangers. It's enough, it's enough. Keep it up and go on. Yeah, you're only holding out for what you want. I know that it's so frustrating. It's enough, keep it up. Now I'm here and I wish that I wasn't. I'm in a place in front of a dozen people I've never met, and I don't know if this is correct. I guess I'm blessed. I never give myself respect. Most my life I'm asking why, but anytime I give it a try, I say, keep it up and go on. You're only holding out for what you want.
We're all feeling alright this morning. Feeling okay. Feeling good.
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel another star? You fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive. Where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you now? Was it all in my fantasy? Where are you now? Were you only imaginary? Where are you now? Atlantis, under the sea, under the sea. Where are you now? Another dream. The monsters running wild inside of me. I'm faded. I'm faded. So lost. I'm faded. I'm faded. So lost. I'm faded. These shallow waters never met what I needed. I'm letting go, a deeper dive, eternal silence of the sea.